Welcome, Arithmetic Ninjas, to multiplying a fraction by another fraction. Now, the first thing we need to note here is that we do not need a common denominator when multiplying or dividing fractions. We do need a common denominator when we're adding or subtracting. So all we've got to do when we're multiplying two fractions is do the top times top, and then we've got to do bottom times bottom. We can simplify our answers if possible, but it's not necessary in the exam to get the mark. You still get the mark if you don't simplify a fraction, although in year 7 you would be expected to simplify a fraction. So here we go. 3/7 times 1/8. Top times top, bottom times bottom. 3 times 1 is 3. 7 times 8 is 56. Final answer, 356. We can't even simplify that because 3 is a prime number, so you can't divide it by anything else other than itself and 1. Question number 7. 1/10 times 7/8. So top times top, bottom times bottom. 1 times 7 is 7. 10 times 8 is 80. So we've got 7/80. You can't simplify that either because 7 is a prime number. Question 11. Top times top, bottom times bottom. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. We could simplify that because both 6 and 21 are divisible by 3. 3's in 6 goes twice. 3's in 21 goes 7 times. So that is an equivalent answer. You can either have 6 over 21, 6 21ths, or 2/7. Both of those are equivalent fractions. Next question. Top times top, bottom times bottom. So 10/20 times 4/7. 10 times 4 is 40. 20 times 7, well, 2 times 7 is 14. So 20 times 7 must be 10 times bigger, so that's 140. Final answer, 40 over 140. Again, they will simplify. Now, straight away, they will both divide by 10 because they both end in a 0. So that is going to be 40 divided by 10 is 4. 440 divided by 10 is going to be 14. And you could then half both of those. So half of 4 is 2, half of 14 is 7. So any of those answers would be acceptable. 40 over 140, or 4/14, or 2/7. They're all equivalent fractions. Question number 15, the last one. Top times top, bottom times bottom. 12 times 2 is 24. 40 times 3, well, 4 times 3 is 12. So 40 times 3 is 10 times bigger than that. So it's going to be 10 times bigger than 12, which is 120. Again, you could simplify that to get a simpler version, although 24 120ths would be okay. Half both of those numbers, you're going to get 12/60ths if you divide both of those by 2. And actually, 12 and 60 both divide by 12. So 12s into 12 goes once, and 12s and 60 goes 5 times. So your final and best answer is 1/5, although you would still get the mark for 24 120ths. So there you have it. Top times top, bottom times bottom. Simplify if possible. Now we've had a go at questions 1, 7, 11, 14 and 15. You go back and have a go at the ones we've missed. Good luck.